Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also happy. So, what's your name?
My name is Kanishka.
Kanishka. How old are you?
I am I am 9 years old.
9 years old.
Yeah.
Do you speak in English?
Yeah, I speak in English.
How many chapters have you completed?
I have completed 82 chapters.
Okay. Are you able to speak in English?
Yeah, I am able to speak in English.
Do you enjoy speaking English?
Yeah, I enjoy speaking English.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What do you do?
Um, I do study.
Study. Are you fond of studying?
Yeah, I am fond of study.
Do you like to study?
Yeah, I like to study.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Prince Public School.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
One brother, one sister.
Yeah.
Okay. Whom do you love most? Your brother or your sister?
I love most my brother.
Your brother.
Yeah.
Do you have money?
No, I don't have money now.
Do you earn money?
No, I don't earn money.
Can you speak a little loud?
Yeah, I can speak loud.
Okay. How many chapters have you completed?
I have completed 82 chapters.
82 chapters.
Yeah.
Are you compelled to this come to this tuition, or you coming to this tuition on by your choice?
I come this tuition by my choice.
Do you enjoy learning English?
I enjoy learning English.
That's nice. Do you have your notebook?
No, I don't have my notebook now.
Now. Okay. So how many friends do you have in your school?
I have many friends in my school.
Like how many?
Um 10 to 15.
10 to 15 friends. Do you
Yeah.
have any best friend?
Yeah, I have one best friend.
Who is he or she?
She is Shamiksha.
Samiksha. Why is
Yeah,
Samiksha your best friend?
because she studied me for first to fourth.
She has been studying with me
She has been studying with me
from
from first to fourth
first to
class.
fourth class. So she is your best friend.
Yeah, she is my best friend.
So does she get something for you to eat?
Yeah, she uh, take Maggie or pasta for me.
Do you like Maggie?
Yeah, I like Maggie.
Do you know how to cook food?
No, I don't know that how to cook food.
Really?
No, yeah.
Are you not able to make tea?
No, I'm not able to make tea.
If I come to your home, would you like to serve me something?
Yeah, I like to serve you tea or snacks.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father do electric work and he had a factory.
He has.
He has a factory.
Okay. How many rupees do you have?
Uh, I have no money now. At my home, I have 100 rupees.
100 rupees.
Yeah,
Can you give me 50 rupees?
yeah, I can give you.
But I will not return you.
Okay.
You don't have any problem?
No, I don't have any problem.
Really?
Yeah.
So suppose if you want to give me 100 rupees, so what will you say to your mother?
Mom, my sir say to take 100 rupees,
Okay.
so then I will give you 100 rupees.
But what if your mom denies you? If your mom says that no, 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 don't give him 100 rupees. So what will you do?
I I will take from my father.
Your father.
Yeah,
Do you have grandparents?
yeah, I have grandparents.
Do you love your grandfather?
Yeah, I love my grandfather.
Does your grandfather love you too?
Yeah, my grandfather also love me too.
Loves me too.
Loves me. Uh,
Okay. What do you feel about this tuition
I feel like that is good tuition to learn English and subjects.
and subjects? Okay. Who teaches you subjects?
Sia ma'am teaches me subjects.
How does she teach?
She teach good.
She teaches.
She teaches good.
Okay. Are you able to understand whatever she teaches you?
Yeah, I able to understand that what is she teaching me.
Okay. So this is your first video and you are doing well. You know that?
No, I don't know
You
that.
don't know that?
No.
Okay. So what message would you like to send to other people who are not learning English yet and they are afraid of learning English, they are scared of learning English and they think that English is very hard. So is English really very hard?
No, English is not really hard. It is easy to learn.
Okay. Now you can ask questions.
Uh, uh, what do you want in your lunch?
In my lunch
Yeah.
today,
Yeah.
today I want sabji chawal.
So, do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food on my own.
Mm, So, do you scared of?
Are you scared
Are
of?
you scared of cooking food?
No, I'm not scared of cooking food, but I am scared of making chapati.
Okay. Mm, So, do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
Um, do you have grandparent?
Yes, I have my grandparents and I love them very most.
So, do you have your own house?
Yes, I have my own house.
What do you want in your whole life?
In my whole life, I want peace. I want that if I love someone, if I do something for somebody, if I teach even you English, so I want all those things written back.
Okay. Uh, so, do you don't want money in your whole
I
life?
want to earn money in my life. I want money in my life, and I will earn bulk of money in my life.
Okay.
That is the reason why I have chosen this profession.
So, are you compelled to teach us?
No, I'm not compelled to teach us as I'm a teacher, so it's my responsibility. Like your father is a businessman, so he
Yeah.
goes to the job, he goes to his business, he runs the business. Your mother
Okay.
is a housekeeper,
Yeah.
housewife, so your mother does all the home chores work. Am I right?
Yeah.
As you are a student, so you study properly.
Yeah.
As they are all students, so they study properly.
Yeah.
So in the same manner, we all have our work to do. So as I am a teacher, so it is my work to teach you. So I do that. I'm not compelled to do that. It's my work.
So, what's your dream of uh, becoming
I have a
now?
dream of becoming a teacher now, a great teacher, which has who has already trained multiple students across the world. I have a strong belief over my teaching skills that yes, I can make people capable of speaking.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Nice talking to you, ma'am. It was a great talking with you for the first time.